Today we're going to talk about how we can add an integration to an application in HappyFox. Here at HappyFox, we do offer many different integrations to different applications and solutions that you might already be using to run your organization or your business. To integrate any of those applications, what you're going to do is you're going to go and head over to the main menu. Once you're at the main menu, you're going to go down and you're going to find the Apps section. Here, you'll notice that we have a lot of different varieties as to the categories of applications that you can select. You can actually select through any of these different categories here to view the applications that we do integrate with in that particular field. Up at the top, you can view all of the apps that you are currently integrated with. You'll be able to view some additional resources and goodies for those applications, or search and scroll through an entire list of all the applications that we do integrate with. You'll notice over here we do have 49 apps that we currently integrate with, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to very easily click onto one of these apps, place your credentials into the system, and create a webhook between each of these applications in HappyFox. If there is a solution or an application that you're currently using that you do not see on this list, please feel free to reach out to us and ask if we have that on our roadmap of integrations that we plan, or if it's something that we already do integrate with. We also do offer a full open API, as well as the availability to create a Zap with other solutions through Zapier. If you have any other questions or would like some help or assistance in getting one of your solutions integrated with HappyFox, please go to our support center at support.happyfox.com, where we'll be able to provide you with all the information you need in order to integrate your solution, or you can always reach out to us and submit a ticket, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching it.